welcome back. We're here today. We're going to be making in the Forno the Pizza by HPC Fire. We're going to be making a delicious rack of lamb with some crab legs and some bacon wrapped carrots. So to start it out, we're going to have this beautiful rack of lamb, and we're going to sprinkle it with some rosemary, some olive oil, some kosher salt, and some black pepper. Okay, so here we go. We're gonna put some of this, I'm gonna put a little bit of this garlic right on here, and we're gonna wrap this carrot. This is a maple smoked bacon. And then to finalize things, we're actually gonna use some of this beautiful crab. We're gonna put that, and we're gonna try to smoke it right at the end. Here we go, everybody. We're ready to put in the lamb chops right in the skillet, and it's about 700 degrees. We're just gonna grab these over here that we've been sitting on with some salt, and we're gonna let them kind of go right on there. Got some rosemary on there. Oh, it's gonna be beautiful. Look at all that. Yum, yum, yum. Come with me. Check this out. We're gonna turn the light on. Those look beautiful. We're gonna get these out right now. Oh yeah. All right, here we go. We're gonna put this over here. All right, so. Oh yeah, perfect. That is incredible. That's probably the best lamb chops I've ever had. I'm gonna put some of this carrots wrapped in bacon. And I'm gonna grab some of these crab legs here. This is going to be a smorgasbord of deliciousness. Oh yeah, beautiful. All right, we're going to shut the gas off, and that should start smoking here pretty soon. Oh, look at those beautiful carrots. Oh, listen to that sizzle.